Okay, so here we are. We're outside the barn. I'm going to turn on the lights and get a couple of different directions. I'm going to turn off the interior lights here. I'm going to turn those off. I'm going to fire up the lights right here so that you can see how bright they are. We're still pretty light outside. Let me go ahead and pan over. Still got some sun going down. Alright. So this is what we're working on here. And then I'll do from the barn out. So let's see how bright they got. Alright, so that's the headlights. I'm going to go turn the overheads out. Alright, so now I'm going to take you from inside the barn looking out to see just how much is illuminated. Sorry about the sound, but this is headlights only. Headlights only. And this is with the work lights only. This is work lights only. Pretty bright. So just kind of wanted to give you an estimate of what it looks like. And I don't know if you can see that. Way over here, there's the power pole, and the reflection that's way down there is actually the school bus shack that we have. And that's a good 300 feet, I'd say, away from where we're standing right now. These things light up the entire area, so they're massively bright. Perfect for late work, and it would probably illuminate even more. The lights are so far back behind the barn door, it'll probably light up the whole thing. Now remember, these lights are not DOT approved, so they would not be for on-road use by any means. So just keep that in mind when you're installing these kinds of work lights.